Hello, Chet Porter with MarineMax Savannah. I want to tell you about this 15 Montauk that we just got in inventory. This boat is desert tan color with blue accents and a blue bimini top. Has the teak boarding steps here. We got this one with the trolling motor panel in the bow, so no bow rail. There is an option to put a high bow rail in here as well as a split bow rail in the front. This one has a bow cushion, which you can remove to reveal the anchor storage. Finished on both sides of the hatches, so easy to keep clean. This cushion splits, as you can see, so it's easy to store. This boat has the fishing package, which is the cooler, the backrest, and the cushion, and then the rod holders across the front. Your bimini top ties to this center hasp, so it doesn't move around a lot like some manufacturers do. And back at the helm, we have an empty space in front of the steering wheel for any electronics that you might add. Plenty of room for a stereo. This console has been redesigned, so the compass is forward of the helm, and then you have two stainless steel rod holders, USB plugs, and 12-volt plugs. The seat has 4 different positions. You can sit facing aft, or you can, in this position here, a lot of people like to stand up and use it more like a leaning post. And then you have it all the way back. You have plenty of seating for two adults. Back here in the back, your bilge pump's in the aft, and then you have fuel tank underneath. So plenty of fuel and range on this boat. This one also has a cover for the helm seat and a cover for the console. Powered by a 60 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke. Very economical. The boat's really a popular seller for us. So give us a call today, 2021 15 Montauk from Boston Whaler. Chet Porter with MarineMax, 912-897-9881. Thanks.